was born in red soil, under wide open skies. My mama sang my name with tears in her eyes. I saw rivers carry hope through the hurting land. Every scar on our home still stronger than my hand. Oh, we rose from the dust, we carried the flame through the night and the storm. We still call one name: Motherland rise, Motherland shine. We are the children of one deep heart line. Motherland rise, Motherland shine. Hold us together through the roughest time. From the market to the hills, from the coast to the plain, different tongues, same dream, different faces, same rain. I can hear the women sing in the morning. Every voice says stay, every breath says care. We rose from the dust, oh, we carried the flame through the night and the storm. We still call one name: Motherland rise, Motherland shine. We are the children of one deep heart line. Motherland rise, Motherland shine. Hold us together through the roughest time. Let the broken heal, let the young ones lead, let the fields drink joy, let the whole world see